Halito. Today I am heading off to Dora's house. Dora in Choctaw Yale. Because today we're gonna learn how to make Banaha. Well, I know how to make Banaha, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. So whenever I get there, I'll get back with you. Halito. So today we're gonna make Banaha, and I'm here with lovely Miss Dora Wickson, and she's gonna explain to us how to make Banaha, but only in Choctaw. So, muna siya natish katimi.
Himona siya Saudi pako, chati buta, micha buta kanimosi, ibani lachi. Tiga ilat pagos afina ataka ishani tugma chapula chikia tiga ishani magana
Matonata.
ilapato tachi hakshop yamago ilapa ikbi tahligma ilapago afuachi michidi tahlicha e takchachi tiga okagos wasalit hakma ikbi ilishtia hina
Okay, wasali abanaho.
aha yeah ukayat wasali magana kiyok ba ukad lashpagat ikonok ba yamat achukma hikia ukakos wasaliyo ishibanik magana dilapa achukmat tiwachi ishtali shila
Nada.
Banaha anoka kanika dukla ikbit pisamat anoka but shila toka haya
Oh.
katimi ho yohme anoti katimi chili dogo iklana mat yohme to ogla panaklo hogo kanimi ho yohme ga yamano akikano pe achukmat iktiwacho ogmano le dokchicho yamago ahnili ihogosh akikano
Katahos Banaha ikbi ka chimabachito.
Banaha ikbi hubakiash fami awa on toklo iki aliho ohoyo sipukni agos ay tanaha ya Banaha ikbachi ataho akostini chilicha impanaglalita Banaha ikbe ikana sabana ihadagos chibahikiyat pisalahi laho at impanaglalina ilakyo achina yamago apisachit atalita kani mechiga Tiga yamago ukayat wasalichio miho mago ibani pisalita madachukmat tiwachit tayale mago yamago timba imat kanalito adagos untuna chukka falama tunaligmat ikbit salito chukmagili na mago hikit yaho Banaha ikbit ishtialito gos Banaha hindali moma
Banaha chin champale huh?
Banaha champule to be ya tanayak ma Noti ahayal washa magosh. Ikbi paga champole. Mat yipi shila. Shukani pi mago. Ugla pin champole yoga. Mat achok makyo kia. Yogo. Kapag shot the pocket mano aspisa kay liha.
Shimuka ya masalle.
Ome. Amuna chakay ni sticho ha nile. Yok manaw himok ma. Masalle chili mo makmahay na.
Tiwachile. Ayah.
Bumit nila ma. Ano mako ikuno hila matena.
Oh, Not the whole Kadimi. Or not the Ish Kadimi.
Banaha go ikbi Uchito hon chiban na hokmat. Ishmet chahin la kiogmat. Usicho me homago. Lapago mitchit. Mitchidita ligmat. Stalakchi ago alishicha itakchi.
Uyale. Momi. Banaha la waho. Elek pita. How long do you usually cook them for?
About 45 minutes.
45 minutes? Banaha yet taha. Okay. P. Kilimpa. Hey. Katimi ho shoti lusa ishuzakio.
Shoti lusa to Papaki that Tapahila Mekena. Mano P. Dipi. Ilawashli of Madanoti. Matanchi Labona, ikbi Shaki Lusana. Dora Mago Papaki Ashat, Mago Ogla Yumi Bikat. Aba Banaha no Mago Michit, Ogla no Nachiga, Pisalit Ogosh, Magalahon Pisali Mana.
P. Impat Pisala Salahila. Ooh, pesa. Champale over. That's what it should look like. Champale. Well, Dora chi okugile.
No me.
Ugulayat. Himonasiano. Banaha. Ikbigat ikana. Ome wa yako ke.
Ome. Shlatwa chokma.
Ome. All right, everybody. So I'm back at my place. I got Banaha in hand that I'm gonna have for maybe supper for the rest of the week, or maybe lunch or something. But Banaha is very good. It's Choctaw bread. And so, thanks for watching. And that was Dora, by the way. Dora Wickson. She is a Choctaw Fluent Speaker. And she learned Choctaw first. And then she had to learn English when she went to school. So she mainly stayed with her grandparents as she was growing up. So her grandparents raised her. And that's all they spoke in the home was Choctaw. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe, and put the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know what else you want to see in the future too, because this channel is new and fresh, and so I thank you guys. Hachi yoko gili fina hoki, and himagma hachi pisa lachigi.